Hi everyone, this is Cooking with Kurt. Today, my husband Donald and I are going to show you how to make an Ube Parmesan Basque Cheesecake.
A rich and creamy ube mousse sits perfectly atop a custard-like Ube Basque cheesecake, then topped with a sprinkling of grated Parmesan cheese.
The Basque cheesecake, or tarta de queso in Spanish, was originally developed in San Sebastian, Spain. It's a crustless cheesecake with a brown caramelized outside, but decadently smooth and creamy on the inside. And of course, like the Spanish, us Filipinos love adding cheese to our sweets for that delicate, sophisticated, salty-sweet umami balance, which is achieved here by that Parmesan cheese topping.
My mouth is already watering.
To start, let 3 bars, which are 8 ounces each, of full-fat cream cheese, 1/4 cup of ube halaya, 4 large eggs, and 1½ cups of heavy cream come to room temperature. Place an oven rack in the middle position and preheat your oven to 500 degrees Fahrenheit.
Baking this cheesecake at a very high temperature for a short period of time is the secret to obtaining the signature caramelized exterior and gooey interior.
To prepare your baking pan, cut 2 pieces of parchment paper that are 15 inches by 15 inches. Scrunch up these pieces of parchment paper so there are a lot of creases in each piece, which makes them more moldable. Take a 9-inch spring-form pan and place the 2 pieces of parchment paper crosswise so that they completely cover and are molded against the bottom and sides of the pan as much as possible, folding the overhanging parchment paper over the outside edge of the pan. Then, use scissors to trim as much excess parchment paper off as you can. To note, the maximum temperature for most parchment paper is 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Once it reaches that temperature, it will begin to char at the edges. Trimming the excess exposed parchment paper will minimize charring in the 500-degree oven.
Once all your ingredients are at room temperature in the bowl of your stand mixer, add in the 3 bars of full-fat cream cheese that are 8 ounces each, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of ube extract, and 1/4 cup of ube halaya. With the paddle attachment, beat together on low speed for about 5 minutes until everything is smooth and well combined. For this recipe, be sure to always beat on low speed to avoid beating in excess air into the cheesecake. Stop the mixer and scrape down the paddle attachment and the bowl. Then mixing again on low speed, add in 4 large room temperature eggs, 1 egg at a time, making sure that the previous egg is fully mixed in and scraping down the bowl before adding the next one. When all the eggs are added, stop the mixer and sift in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. We have to detach the bowl from the stand mixer to do this. Then beat on low speed just until the flour is combined. Scrape down the bowl again. While continuing to beat on low speed, slowly pour in the 1½ cups of room temperature heavy cream. When all the heavy cream is added, stop the mixer and scrape down the bowl. Then continue beating at low speed for another 1 minute. Detach the bowl from the stand mixer and pour the batter into the prepared spring-form pan. Tap the pan gently on the counter to release any large pockets of air.
Bake the cheesecake on the center rack at 500 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the surface is browned on top. The center should still be quite jiggly. If you have a digital thermometer, the ideal texture of this cake is achieved when the thermometer just reads 185 degrees Fahrenheit when inserted by 1 inch about 1 inch from the edge of the cake. We recommend starting to check at the 20-minute mark and continue checking at 1-minute intervals just till it reaches 185 degrees Fahrenheit, 1 inch from the side edge and 1 inch from the top surface. Let the cheesecake cool on a metal rack to room temperature. As you can see, the cake will sink in the center as it cools. While the Basque cheesecake is cooling to room temperature, we're going to work on the Ube Cream Mousse. in the clean bowl of your stand mixer. Add in 4 ounces of cold cream cheese, which is half a bar of cream cheese, and 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. With a paddle attachment, mix on medium speed until the cream cheese has softened and the mixture looks smooth. Stop the mixer and add in 1 cup of very cold heavy cream and 1 teaspoon of ube extract. Continue mixing on medium speed for about 2 minutes until the cream cheese and heavy cream are combined. Stop the mixer and scrape down the bowl as needed. Then switch to a whisk attachment and continue beating on medium-high speed until the mixture is thick and billowy. When you get the right consistency, stop whipping. Store this in the fridge till you're ready to use it. When the Basque cheesecake is at room temperature, transfer the Ube Cream Mousse on top, creating a layer of ube mousse sitting on the Basque cheesecake base. Smooth it out as much as possible, making sure the Ube Cream Mousse goes all the way to the sides, touching the parchment paper. Refrigerate this uncovered for a minimum of 6 hours, preferably overnight for the layers to set. To serve, unlatch the sides of the springform pan and carefully remove it. Carefully peel away the parchment paper from the sides of the cake. Place the cake on a revolving cake stand and use a bench scraper and offset spatula to straighten and clean up the edges of the ube mousse. For the final touch, sprinkle 2 tablespoons of grated Parmesan cheese on top of the Ube Cream Mousse. And there it is, an Ube Parmesan Basque Cheesecake. A beautifully charred caramelized exterior with a rich and gooey inside, topped with a velvety mousse and grated Parmesan cheese for that perfect umami balance. Ang sarap.
Yum.
So good. That complex, salty, sweet combination is delicious.
It's like a giant ube toasted marshmallow. And I love the Parmesan cheese subtly cutting through the caramelized ube flavor. It's delicious.
Thank you so much for watching. Please let us know in the comment section below if you're planning to make this Ube Parmesan Basque Cheesecake. Send us pictures of your creations on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Links below. And if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Cooking with Kurt.
And don't forget to click on the bell so you get notified when we post new cooking videos. And for our written recipes and more, be sure to check out cookingwithkurt.com.
Maraming salamat!